Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing great. And today in this video, I'll tell you how to use domiciliary valid balance from medibuddy application for doctor consultation. So before moving into the video, if you are new to this channel and haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever I upload a new video. So coming back to our video, we know that we will get 6,000 rupees of domiciliary valid balance every year in our medibuddy corporate account. And previously we used to order medicines using that domiciliary valid balance, but now it is mandatory to upload a valid prescription to order medicines from the medibuddy. In order to get the prescription, we need to consult the doctor. And from medibuddy application, we can consult the doctor using medibuddy valid cash online. But now we have a new feature that we can consult the doctor offline also. I mean, in your location also, you can consult the doctor in the clinic by using that medibuddy valid cash. So now I'll show you the process of booking the appointment of the doctor based on your location preference using your domiciliary valid balance through this new feature in clinic doctor consultation. And also I'll show how to cancel the appointment once it is booked. So for that, first we need to log into corporate medibuddy account. So once you log into your medibuddy corporate account, the home page will be like this. Here you can see the amount balance, I mean the valid balance. Here you can see 6,000 rupees are added to corporate wallet, and here the new feature is added in clinic doctor consultation. So if you want to book the appointment with the doctor in clinic, then you can click on that. Once you click on that, you can see all the different departments here, and based on our requirement we can select the department. Here I'm just showing you for general physician. So click on confirm. Then we can also select the location here. I'm just selecting Amirpet for this. Just for your reference, I'm selecting this. So here we can see the list of all the doctors near Amirpet. So nearby the location, we can see all the list of doctors, and we can also change the department here if you want. So in this, I'm just selecting the first doctor which came in this list, and I'm just clicking on book visit. And we have to select the date and time slot for the appointment, and confirm the date and time. Then we can give the details of the patient, like if you are booking this appointment for yourself, then we can give the details will come by default. Otherwise, if you are booking for your dependencies, then you can give the details manually. So once you give all the details, then you can click on proceed, and it will take you to the payment page. And we can see here the consultation fees is 1,000 rupees, and these 1,000 rupees are getting deducted from our insurance wallet. So we no need to pay anything for this consultation. And here they are mentioning that you can utilize up to 1,000 rupees from your insurance wallet on these transactions. Means 100% of this transaction amount is getting deducted from the wallet only. And they are also mentioning that payment for any further treatment would depends on your company's wellness policy. So if doctor suggests any further treatment, then that amount will be deducted from your wallet or not will be depends on your health insurance policy. So this is how, and you just need to click on confirm. Here I have confirmed this appointment. So we can see the details of our appointment with this doctor, 20th October 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. So we can reach they'll reach us on our number and mail ID for any further information. So like this the appointment will be. Here you can see the amount got deducted from our wallet. Now previously it was 6,000. Now it is 5,000. So 1,000 rupees got deducted from our insurance wallet. So to cancel the appointment which you have booked, just click on profile. There you can see track your orders. Tap on that and you can select others here. And here you can see the list of appointments you have booked. and you have to select whichever you want to cancel. You can see cancel option there. Just click on cancel and it will ask you for the reason for cancellation. You have to give the reason there of why you are cancelling your appointment. Then you can just click on confirm cancellation and your appointment will be cancelled. So this is how your appointment will be cancelled.